This virus has brought great hardship to your communities, and I know that people out there are struggling. But I'm here today with a message of hope, because I believe in Ontario. I believe in the great people of this province, and I believe that we have everything we need to come back stronger than ever before. We've shown it's possible. Before the pandemic, our economy was absolutely on fire here in Ontario, and it was absolutely booming. In 18 short months, all of us, and I say all of us, created over 307,000 net new jobs in Ontario. We did it once, and we will all do it again. People are ready to get back to work, ready to build what we have lost. And everywhere I go, I met with mayors and municipal officials. I hear firsthand the challenges and the successes, because you are leading the charge. As the level of government closest to the people, and I always tell you when we have these meetings, I've walked a mile in your shoes. I've been on the front lines each step of the way. And thanks to your hard work, all of the province has now entered into stage 3. Companies and stores are opening back up. People are getting back to work. But as Premier, I can't stop. I won't stop until we get every community back on their feet. That's why we negotiated with our federal partners to deliver over $7 billion for Ontario. Money for healthcare, for transit, for childcare, for testing and contact tracing. And up to $4 billion will support the frontline services delivered by you, our municipal partners. Up to $4 billion to support shelters, food banks, public health, childcare, and transit. This is a great deal for Ontario, and it's a great deal for municipalities. We're delivering $1.6 billion as part of the first round to help you address immediate needs. And we will continue to consult with you to see how the next round can respond to the most urgent needs in our communities. And I have to thank all 444 municipal leaders across Ontario for their incredible support in getting this deal done. You stood behind us during these negotiations. We negotiated as Team Ontario with one voice. My friends, the Safe Restart Agreement is good news for all of us. And it builds on the investments we have already made through Ontario's action plan. Our government is delivering up to $30 billion to support our frontline healthcare system, to provide relief to families and businesses, and to ensure municipalities can respond to urgent priorities. That includes $510 million through the Social Services Relief Fund, $15 million to enhance transit cleaning, and $14 million for community-based mental health and addiction services. These supports are critical to helping communities recover and helping people get back on their feet. And I know you're all looking for certainty as you approach budget planning for the next year. That's why I'm pleased to announce today that for the next year, our government is maintaining the $500 million envelope and structure of the Ontario Municipal Partnership Fund. This funding will help municipalities support local priorities and recognizes the unique challenges facing our northern, remote, and rural communities. We will continue to review the program in consultation with our municipal partners to ensure the program meets the needs of our communities, especially for our small, northern, and rural municipalities.